From a fire sprinkler company, the Anvil building in Bloomington, Minnesota has become the 5th CAT Large Equipment Rebuild Center in the Western Hemisphere. The transformation was over 2 years in the making, and it now serves as the central mechanical hub for Ziegler CAT and its 30 Midwest facilities. The vast structure is dedicated to large component rebuilding with a high torque and high-tech twist.
It's a 120,000 square foot building. It houses our parts department to feed this animal over here. We have about 60,000 square feet of actual shop space. Each section of bays here is fed with two 20-ton overhead bridge cranes. So there's 9 20-ton overhead bridge cranes in this building. There's 71 jib cranes ranging from 1 ton to 3 ton. And yeah, there's a lot of craneage in here. This was a complicated deal for us. So what we did, we started the week after the 4th of July in 2014, and we met every Monday from 8 in the morning until noon until the end of March of 2015. The only week we skipped was Christmas week. Otherwise, the team met every week, and it was CNH had 2 folks there. We had our engineering team for electrical, HVAC, all of those folks were here as well. And then we put a team together here at Ziegler. So it was myself, it was the branch manager who oversees this, it was the general manager. We had the 2 foremen that run this shop, we had their lead men, and we would get together every week and go over how we think things should be laid out for flow and safety. And then once a month we would take those plans, which we thought were the final plans, and we would take them down to the old spec shop and meet with all the guys. Everybody got their say in this building. We designed this building different than we've ever done before. The 793 is the most common truck that we work on, which is the 2nd largest truck CAT makes. You know, we're set up to handle the engines on them, the transmissions, the wheel stations, which you've seen some pictures of over here. We work on locomotives that have CAT engines in them. So we do have a bay 86 feet long, so we can bring a locomotive into the shop. The rails run right into the shop. We have our own spur out there tied into the main line. And we bring them in, we pull the hatch off, we pull the engine and gen out, bring it in here in a controlled environment and get it done. We can take anything down to a 30-horse skid steer engine all the way up to a 4,500 horse in our largest dyno, which would be a locomotive engine, a genset engine. A lot of these large engines come from landfills or up on the range for us, coal mines or iron ore. This is our crown jewel right now. Yeah, we're pretty proud of this.